Welcome to the Plant Science and Floral Design program at San Angelo ISD, where students dive into the science, research, and business of plants, flowers, and the environment.
In the Floral Design program of study, we do things from homecoming mums. We've been partnered with the Junior League, and we will do anything that our program is allowed. When a student is done with the Floral Design program, they will have an industry-based certification that they can use.
The Floral Design component allows students to express their creativity while learning about the floral industry. From designing beautiful arrangements to understanding the business side of floristry, students gain skills that can lead to careers as florists or horticulturalists.
I got involved in this program through my older sister that graduated from high school in 2023. I really got my inspiration from her, from bringing home crafts and all these different types of floral arrangements, all different fun creativity, and it just really inspired me to join this when I joined the high school here. What I love about this program is it helps me build my teamwork opportunities. It brings out the creativity in me, and just really working well with others is something that I really look up to, and hopefully it builds into my future to come.
Through the Plant Science and Floral Design program, students develop a deep understanding of plant life, learning about sustainable practices, and gain hands-on experience in creating beautiful, impactful floral designs.
I would tell kids that it's a great opportunity to develop new skills. It's a very fun program to show you what your creativity is while doing these projects, and just tell them that how fun it is and what life looks like after high school as well.
Students in the Floral Design program can also compete in FFA competitions, showcasing their skills and creativity at a state level. Discover the Plant Science and Floral Design program at SAISD, where creativity meets science and students grow their skills for a greener future.